rule is going to allow SSH connectivity to the servers. So here is the fourth firewall input TCP multiport 20 port 22 is the SSH port. So these are the four rules. I'm moving to my next slide. See, this is the last firewall rule. Apart from the above four, you should block all the ports so that your network can be secured and no port is open for connectivity. So depending on your requirement, you can open the ports what you want. So going ahead, so these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 rules over here. The fourth SSH rules over here. This is how it will look into the IP tables. You can just list using the command IP tables -l. It will show all the IP tables rules created.